Konnichiwa, what's up, niece and nephew? It's your Oji-san Jet. Today, I will teach you how to tell time in Japanese. Kasi kung sa love life mo, hindi ka sure, at least sa oras, sure ka. Before we jump into reading and telling time, let's first learn how to ask, what time is it now in Japanese? In casual way, we say, Ima nanji? Ima nanji? Ima means now. Nanji means what time. Meanwhile, in more formal way, we say, Ima nanji desu ka? Ima nanji desu ka? We just need to add desu ka to make it formal. Now, in telling time, other than the Japanese numbers na dapat kabisado mo, you also need to remember these two words. Number 1, G, which means hour or o'clock. The second one is fun or pun, means minutes. And now, let's learn how to read or tell time in Japanese. Tandaan, sa Japanese, ang hours ay laging nagtatapos sa G. Japanese number, then add G. For example, how are you going to read this one? Ichiji. Next one. How about this one? Kung ang sagot mo ay yoji, you're right. But if you answered shiji, sorry pamangkin, pero mali ka. Because shiji means bad luck in Japanese at hindi nila ito ginagamit. Okay? Let's proceed to the next one. You're right. It's rokuji. Rokuji. Let's try this another special case, special number. If you answered nanaji, pamangkin, you're wrong. That is shi-chiji. Shi-chiji. And this last example. Kuji. Kuji. Not kyuji. Kuji. And now, let's proceed on reading the minutes. If the numbers are ending in 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 0, we're going to use the word pun. And when the numbers are ending in 2, 5, 7, and 9, we use the word fun. For example, how are you going to read this one? That's right. Ippun. Ippun. How about this one? That's right. It's roppun. Roppun. The next one, happun. Happun. And the last one, nifun. 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 We also have shortcuts for the numbers, but remember that it is only applicable for minutes or for telling or reading the minutes. Here are the examples. 1, ippun. Number 6, ro, roppun. And the number 8, which is happun. And the 0 will be juppun. Alright! Now let us combine hours and minutes. How are we going to read it if they're not together? First example. If we're going to read this one in English, it will be 12:1. In Japanese, we're going to read it as Juniji Ippun. 12 ipon. Now, how are you going to read this one? Yeah, this one. Yes, that's right. That is Sanji Yeonju Gofun. Sanji Yeonju Gofun. Some of you may ask, paano ko naman sasabihin pag 1:30 na ganun? For exact 30 minutes, use the suffix han. For example, in English, we're going to read this as 1:30. In Japanese, we're going to read it as ichi jihan. Ichi jihan. This next one, yoji han. Yoji han. Next, let us now proceed to time markers. AM in Japanese is gozen, and PM in Japanese is gogo. Sa pagbasa ng time markers, una natin itong babasahin bago ang mga numero ng ating oras. For example, gogo shi jihan. Next is gozen kuji roppun. So that's how you tell and read time in Japanese. Domo arigatou, niece and nephew. This is Jet Sensei, your Oji-san for today. Time is gold. Huwag malilate. Jane!